Annyeonghaseyo, hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm Ara. And I'm Mim, and we are the Cause Sisters, students, half Korean, Pinay. Ayan, it's another day and it's another mini vlog na naman po kami. Today is the first day of wish days dito sa school namin. At maaga pala kami nagpunta sa school. Dahil excited kami, we went here at 7:30. At sarado pa ang food stall. At meron din papa rides at games. O diba, pinahandaan nila. They're selling books, foods, drinks, at may iba pa. At dahil close pa ang classroom namin at wala pa yung teacher namin, we stay in the stairs. Naka-close pa yung classroom namin, hindi kami makapasok. At nakasama ko pala yung friend ko si Mariana and other friends. At dahil first day namin today, at dahil kasali kami ni ate sa opening salvo, isa pala kami magsasayaw sa stage. At yung mga momshies, may pa-picture pa ng wristband. Ay, kabonggaday. So we are here already the field para mag-start ng opening salvo. At lahat pala na sumayaw ay grade level. Kaso hindi kami makita kasi ang liit ng video. But nasa stage kami ni ate. After dancing, we change clothes pala for bubble run. So Tita Shine is helping us. And Appa is with us kasama mag-running. At siya muna yung magbantay sa amin ni ate. Because Mommy assigned showing color. At nandito pala sila sa station 1. At si Mommy hyper na hyper happy yard dahil basaan kami mamaya. After running, we have a water gun. At kahit hindi pa nag-start, nagtakbuhan at nagbasa na kami. O saan ka dyan? Ang dumi ng muka at damit namin. At fast forward, naka-lunch at shower na kami. Bumalik na kami ni ate sa school. We try to play this fishing rod game. Sobra na-enjoy kami. And we also try here at Dakpat. Kahit mainit at maambon, we still playing pa din.
Wish Day is the most exciting dito sa school, where bubbles, colors, and endless fun await. Start with a bubble wash dash through the vibrant color powder war. And we have 3 days activity. Before kami umuwi ni Yumin, nag-go-kart muna kami. And fast forward, Appa called us para mag-dinner sa labas. And we eat sanggipsal pala dito sa Kingsmead. Ang daming gutom namin ni Yumi. Kain daw kami ng kain. At fast forward, pag-uwi namin, nag-prepare na si Appa sa gamit niya. Today kasi yung alis niya papuntang Korea. Appa need to stay in Korea for 1 week because he need to work. Dahil hindi kami sanay ni Yumi na wala si Appa. So sad at nag-iyakan pala kami ni Yumi. Maura, salamat sa pagtanaw. Sa hindi pa po nakapag-follow, please follow the Cause Sister po.
Bye. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye.